So now we're moving on to the calculator part, because it's question 2 of our calculator. So, a particle moves along a straight line for t is greater than or equal to 0, but t is less than or equal to 5. The velocity of the particle is given by v of t equals negative 2 plus the quantity 2 squared plus 3t to the power of 6 over 5 minus t cubed, and the position of the particle is given by s of t. It is known that s of 0 is 10. So, A asks find all values of t in the interval t is greater than or equal to 2, but is less than or equal to 4, for which the speed of the particle is 2. So, what we have to do is, of course, we have to understand that v of t is actually an absolute value. I kind of started to write that already. It is an absolute value because speed is velocity without direction. So, with that being said, we have to set equal to 2 because, of course, it says in the problem the speed of the particle is 2. So what we could do is we could set the whole problem equal to 2, like 2 equals negative 2 plus t squared plus 3t to the power of 6 over 5 minus t cubed. Now, of course, we have our calculator, which we can use to graph it. I can show the graph right now. So, of course, we're going to graph. I already put it in, so now we just hit graph. It'll take a second to graph. And there we go. But we're looking for from the interval from 2 to 4. So we're going to hit window, x max, or x min, let's make that 2. And x max, let's make that 4. And we're going to keep everything else the same. Now graph. Well, that's what it looks like right there. That's the velocity. It's constantly decreasing as far as we know. So, now of course we're going to hit second calc. Now we're going to hit value. We're going to hit enter. X, of course, we're going to put 2. Of course, that's not the right answer. So what we got to do is we're going to do second calc. 0. Left bound 2. Right bound is 4. Guess. So we'll guess 2.